In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an email trigger so when your participant fills out a survey, they would receive their response through email. To get started, in order to set up an email trigger, you have to have an email field that the user would input their email address in. So once you add that text question, you can now go to survey options. On the left side, it's the fourth button down. And under the post survey category, there is another category that says manage email triggers. When you click on the edit triggers button, by default, it's wanting to send you, the owner of the survey, an email. So what we need to do is pull the text in from that email field. You want to click on this A in the brackets. It's your insert piped text. And then you can go down and choose survey question. And then you would choose email. And then you would actually click on the email because we want the text that's in that email question. This will give you the coding behind the scenes that will generate the email to the user. So if you highlight that and cut it, you can paste that in your email address. Whatever email address is inputted, they would receive a response. So the subject should be the name of your survey. The open text below, you can write your note that they would receive. So for this example, I'm writing, thank you for your submission. Please see your responses below. And you can format that, bold it, highlight it. You also have the option to include the response report, which will generate all the questions and any of the questions that they've answered. The option to show the full question text, you don't need to choose. You can. It's just going to duplicate what is on the response report. I like to make sure that we say when, send immediately, and then we can choose save trigger. So if I go back and look at edit triggers, it's going to send the survey responses to whatever that value is in the email field. The last step I would need to do is hit publish to publish my survey and publish again. And now when my participants go to their unique link or anonymous link and they fill it out, they would be able to get their responses. Please make sure that they put their entire email address, not just their first dot last name. They must put the @center.edu in order to receive that email.